Hey everyone, welcome back to The Mind Detective. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of human connection. We all want to feel desired, and sometimes a little healthy missing you can go a long way in a relationship. So how do you leave a lasting impression and make her crave your presence even when you're apart? Buckle up, because we're about to explore 8 powerful psychological tricks to keep you on her mind. Trick number 1. Master the art of emotional control. We've all seen it. The guy who falls head over heels and smothers his crush with attention. It might feel natural, but it can backfire. Here's the secret. Learn to control your emotions. Don't bombard her with texts or calls. Let her breathe and create a sense of mystery. This builds anticipation and makes her miss your presence. Trick number 2, don't be afraid of silence, sometimes. Constant communication is great, but silence can be a powerful tool too. In a long-distance relationship, for example, resist the urge to text every minute. Let her miss your playful messages and funny anecdotes. When you do reconnect, it'll be that much sweeter. Trick number 3, the power of compliments. But be specific. Everyone loves compliments, but generic ones like, "You look pretty," get old fast. Instead, focus on details she might not hear often. Compliment her kindness, her intelligence, her unique style. It shows you pay attention and makes her feel truly special. Trick number 4. Maintain a little mystery. Here's the thing. Predictability can become boring. Don't reveal your every move or thought. Leave some room for intrigue. Maybe you have a hidden talent or a surprising hobby. Sharing these things in doses keeps her guessing and wanting to know more about you. Trick number 5. Laughter is the best medicine. They say laughter is the best medicine, and it's true in relationships too. Make her laugh. Share funny stories, tell silly jokes, or even send a goofy meme. When she associates you with positive emotions, she'll miss your lighthearted presence. Trick number 6. Don't be a pushover. Have your own opinions. Here's a shocker. Women are attracted to men with their own voice. Don't agree with everything she says just to please her. Have your own opinions and stand by them respectfully. This shows confidence and independence, qualities she'll definitely miss. Trick number 7. Create memorable moments, big and small relationships. Thrive on shared experiences. Plan fun dates, explore new things together, or simply have those cozy nights in. These moments create a bond and positive memories that will stay with her long after you're apart. Trick number 8. Leave her wanting more. Here's the final tip. Leave her wanting more. End phone calls on a high note, cut a date short before things get routine, or send a playful text before you drift off to sleep. This creates a sense of anticipation and makes her miss your presence even more. Remember, these tricks are tools, not magic formulas. Every relationship is unique, but by understanding a little psychology, you can create a deeper connection and make her truly miss you. Thanks for joining The Mind Detective today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating insights into the human mind. See you next time. While these tips can help make her miss you, a healthy relationship requires effort from both sides. Make sure you're showing her you care too. Listen attentively, be supportive, and return the effort she puts in. What are some ways you make your partner miss you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights into human behavior, relationships, and the fascinating world of psychology. Until next time, stay curious, stay mindful, and stay tuned to The Mind Detective.